Hey guys, this is Mr. H. Hey, I'm doing another example from the conversion of rates to other rates. These questions are a little bit more involved because you've got two conversions going on simultaneously. So I'm going to do this example and hopefully this will help. It says the density of a certain material is such that it weighs 2 tons for every 4.5 cubic feet of volume. Express this density in pounds per quart. And it says round your answer to the nearest tenth. All right, so here. So what I'm going to do is, let me bring this up on my iPad. I'm going to take the top, the 2 tons. I'm going to convert it to the number of pounds. And then I'm going to convert the 4.5 cubic feet. And then I'm going to see how many quarts that would be. All right, so watch what I do. So let's start with the top. So I'm going to go 2 tons. 2 tons is equal to how many pounds? And then I'm going to do another conversion where I'm going to take 4.5 cubic feet and I'm going to convert that to the number of quarts that would be. So I'm doing 2 conversions. So let me move this over a little bit. So this one is pretty simple. Well, if I can move this over, it says 1 ton has 2,000 pounds. So this one is a pretty simple conversion. So I'm just going to go on the bottom, 1 ton is equal to 2,000 pounds. Okay. And I'm going to make this into a fraction. Okay. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the cubic feet. So let's see what we got here. I have to move this over. So cubic feet, what do we have for cubic feet? Let me see here. Cubic feet is equal to 7.41 gallons. So, and then gallons to quarts. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use these 2 conversion factors, 1 gallon to 4 quarts and cubic foot to gallons. So watch what I do. Let me move this over just a little more. So I am going to go... I'm going to go 1 cubic foot is equal to 7.481 gallons. And then I need another conversion where I have 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts. Now, just to show you that this is a good conversion, cubic feet on the top, cubic feet on the bottom, gallons on the top, gallons on the bottom, we're left with quarts. Same thing here, tons on the top, ton on the bottom, we're left with pounds. So now all we need to do is actually do these calculations using the calculator. Once we get these 2 conversions, we're going to divide the pounds by the quarts, and that's going to give us our answer. So let's go grab this. So it's going to be 2 times 2,000 divided by 1. So that's just going to be, that's an easy one. I don't need the calculator. That's just going to be 4,000 pounds because 2 times 2,000 is 4,000. And then this one, I'm definitely going to need the calculator. So it's going to be, let's do a stack fraction. It's going to be 4.5 times 7.481 times 4 quarts. And then on the bottom, it's just 1. So I'm just going to put a 1 down there, press enter. So it says 134.658 quarts. Now, I've got my 2 conversions. So now I'm just going to take 4,000 pounds and divide it by 134.658 quarts, and that's going to give me the pounds per quart. All right, so let's do that. So I'm going to do 4,000 divided by this number, and then I press enter, and it tells me 29.70488, blah, blah, blah. All right, so they want us to convert this to the nearest tenths, so 1 decimal place. So if I go back to my calculator, let's see what we got. Calculator, where are you? Right here. So that's going to be 29.7. So that's our answer. 29.7. 29.7 pounds per quart. And they said that is correct. All right, that's what you're doing. I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna post.